The arrival of the new energy era, lithium battery, has widely served in our happy life. Gushine Electronic Technology Company focus on the new energy intelligent manufacturing field, provide energy storage equipment, lithium battery pack, intelligent chargers, and other integrated solutions. Gushine headquarters, located in Shuanggang Center, Jiangzhou District, Zhuhai, China. The office and R&D buildings are up to 3,000 square meters. China production plant nearby in the same city. Production area reaches 35,000 square meters. Overseas manufacturing plant, over 20,000 square meters in Hanoi, Vietnam. Gushine is a national high-tech enterprise. Products are widely used in energy storage systems, industry terminals, intelligent hardware, medical equipment, intelligent robots, light power, security systems, and other fields. Gushine provides low-temperature, explosion-proof, 3-proof lithium battery packs for customers. Ensure the products are durable, safe, and reliable in underwater, coal mines, oil fields, industrial power, and other fields. Rugged and durable, safe and reliable. Research and development adheres to technological innovation and continuous investment in IP67, IP68 dustproof and waterproof design, IA, IB, ATEX explosion-proof circuit design, low-temperature battery applications, mechanical heat dispersion, and other fields have reached industry-leading level. Self-developed BMS lithium battery management system monitor battery status in real time, effectively improve the efficiency of battery module use. Battery module health management monitoring system monitors battery health status in real time. Make sure the battery safety. Gushine's environmental laboratory complies with U.S. military standard 810G and UL-related test requirements. Products have passed high and low temperature, salt spray, crush, nail penetration, vibration, tumble drop, waterproof, ESD, and other tests. Meet the testing requirements for the entire process from battery cell to battery pack development. Ensure product development is efficient and safe. Passed UL, CE, CB, CCC, PSE, BIS, and other international certifications. Gushine insists on quality concept of quality control and continuous improvement. Passed ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, ISO 13485, and other system certifications. Follow CSR rules and provide customers with high-quality products. Gushine operates in advanced SMT production lines, intelligent U-shaped production line, modular production response mechanisms, quick to customers' differentiated needs. Continually improve the key processes such as spot welding, dispensing, and waterproofing in automation high level to increase factory productivity. Its automatic glue filling process and explosion-proof battery pack has reached the world's leading level. Gushine adheres to the international marketing strategy, branches in Shenzhen, Hong Kong, Japan, the United States, and Vietnam. Quick response to customer need. Establish long-term partnership with worldwide brand customers. Gushine products sell well in domestic, North America, Europe, Japan, and other countries in the world. Wins the unanimous praise. Face to the future. Gushine Electronic will continue to innovate. Win-win cooperation with customers. Gushine Electronic, your trusted partner.